Now we solved the graphical representation of these three system of linear pair of equations. Now if we check these linear pair of equations coefficients, can we have a chance to say anything we observing? Okay, so the general form of system of linear equations for pair means already we discussed a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So now we write the coefficients of a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 xy coefficients one writing for the first equation. So for the first problem, if we observed x minus 2y equal to 0, in this x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is minus 2, that is nothing but b1, c1 constant term, here constant term is not there, so that is nothing but 0. Next, second equation 3x plus 4y equal to 20, in this x coefficient is 3, y coefficient is 4. Next, the constant term c2 is 20, but our general form is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. That model observer means this plus 20 is transferred to this side, minus 20. So c2 equal to minus 20. Okay. Now for the second pair of linear equations, now we are observing the coefficients a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Now here for this problem, now if we observed a1 coefficient, a1 that means x coefficient is 2 and y coefficient is minus 1, constant term is minus 4. Now for the second equation 4x minus 2y equal to 6, in this x coefficient is 4, y coefficient is minus 2 and the constant term that is minus 6. Why? Because already here we said that is plus c2, but here we equal to return, that purpose this side transferred means that is minus 6. Now the pair of linear equations of third equation when checking the coefficients a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Now for that x plus y equal to 2, equation 2, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1 and the constant term is minus 2. Next, in the second equation 2x plus 2y equal to 4, x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is also 2 and constant term c2 is minus 4. Now here we doing the ratios of x coefficients, y coefficients and constant terms. Okay, so now a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 equal to, here also a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 equal to. Next here also a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 equal to. Now if we check the coefficients of a1 by a2, that means x coefficients, that is nothing but 1 by 3. Now checking the y coefficients, that are b1, b2, so minus 2 by 4, minus 2 by 4 means that is nothing but minus 1 by 2, c1 by c2 constant terms ratio 0 by minus 20, that is nothing but 0. Okay, now the second system of linear pair of equations 2x minus y equal to 4, 4x minus 2y equal to 6. In that the coefficients of x a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means that is nothing but 1 by 2. Coefficients of y ratio, that is b1 by b2. So minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Next, constant terms ratio c1 by c2, minus 4 by minus 6. Minus 4 by minus 6 means that is nothing but 2 by 3. Next, in the third equations, x plus y equal to 2, 2x plus 2y equal to 4. Now finding the coefficients ratios. So x coefficients, that are a1 a2 ratio, that is 1 by 2. Next, y coefficients ratio b1 by b2, that is 1 by 2. Next, constant term ratios, that is minus 2 by minus 4. So that is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay, now here this third problem to observe. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that is equal to c1 by c2. Now in the second equations observed, a1 by a2 1 by 2, b1 by b2 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is 2 by 3. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, now in the first problem, if we observe, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So now here we get three types of condition for a pair of system of linear equations. One is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Another one is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. And the third one is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Okay, that means x coefficients and y coefficients are not equal to, if x coefficients and y coefficients equal but not equal to constant terms. Next, third one is x coefficients, y coefficients and constant terms coefficients ratios will be equal. So these model three conditions came. Okay, now if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, at this time we get unique solution. We got unique solution. Next, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, at that time we get parallel lines, so there is no solution. Next, in this case a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, here we get, yes, the two equations to same line only came, that means infinitely many solutions. Okay, and here a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then they are called consistent. And a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then they are called inconsistent. Next, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then they are also called as consistent. Next, so here the two lines are intersecting here in that first equation. So they are a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, we get intersecting lines. Now a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, here we get parallel lines. In the case of a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, here they are called dependent lines. Otherwise coincidental lines. Okay, so if a pair of linear equations given means in that 3 any one of the condition is false. Okay, check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. So here the problem given 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y equal to 7, 9x minus 10 y equal to 12. So before we solve directly, but here we have to check first they are consistent or inconsistent. By the given pair of linear equations to solving time, by that graph drawing we know whether the given pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. By that we say it has a unique solution or infinitely many solutions or no solutions. But now by observing the coefficients of x and y of pair of linear equations, before solving only we have to say they are consistent or inconsistent. Then after we drawing the graphs. So that one now we doing. For that purpose given a problem, check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. The given pair of linear equations are 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y equal to 7, 9x minus 10 y equal to 12. So if the second equation directly given x and y coefficients, okay, but in the first pair of linear equation, if we observe x and y coefficients are rational numbers, so rational numbers to simplification time some difficult to looking. So that purpose first this one, this fractional form to normal form to changing. So 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y equal to 7. So we have to do LCM of these denominators of coefficients of x and y. So the denominators are 2, 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2, 3 is 6. So 3, 3 is 9. So 9x plus 3, 2 is 6. So 5, 2 is 10 equal to 7. Now the denominator 6 transfer to this side, that is multiplication. So 9x plus 10y equal to 7 6 ja. So 7 6 ja 42. So the pair of linear equation is 9x plus 10y equal to 42, and the second one is given one 9x minus 10y equal to 12. Now here we comparing the coefficients of x, y and constant terms. So here a1 equal to x coefficient 9, b1 equal to y coefficient 10, c1 equal to constant term, that is minus 42, a2 equal to 9, second equation x coefficient, b2 equal to minus 10, c2 equal to minus 12. Now comparing the coefficients, a1 by a2 equal to, that equal to 9 by 9, 1, b1 by b2 equal to 10 by minus 10, that equal to minus 1, c1 by c2 equal to minus 42 by minus 12. So 7 by 2, c1 by c2. Now if we observe the coefficients ratios a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, both are not equal. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So the system of equations are consistent. So the pair of linear equations consistent, and here a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, so it has unique solution. Now solving the first equation, 9x plus 10y equal to 42. So for different x values we get different y values. So x and that y equal to, so plus 9x transfer to this side, minus 9x, 42 minus 9x, and multiplication 10 transfer to this side, division by 10. So first finding that points, if we taking a x value as minus 5, then 42 minus 9 into minus 5, minus 9 into minus 5 equal to minus 40, minus into minus plus 9 5 ja 45, 45 plus 42 that equal to 87, 87 by 10 equal to 8.7. Next, if we substitute 0, so 42 minus 9 into 0, 9 into 0 0, 42 minus 0 equal to 42, 42 by 10 equal to 4.2. Next, if we substitute a positive number, that is 7, so 42 minus 9 into 7, 9 7 ja 63, minus 63 plus 42, so 63 minus 42 equal to minus 21, so minus 21 by 10 equal to minus 2.1. so the points are for minus 5 8.7, for 0 4.2, for 7 2.1. Now the second pair of linear equations to observing, that is 9x equal to 9x minus 10y equal to 12. So here also for different x values we get different y values. So x, and here minus 10y transferred to this side, that is plus 10y, and plus 12 transferred to this side, minus 12. So y equal to 9x minus 12, and multiplication transferred to this side, that is division by 10 x y. Okay, now we substitute x values. So if x equal to minus 5, so 9 into minus 5 equal to minus 45, minus 45 minus 12, that equal to minus 57, minus 57 by 10 equal to minus 5.7. Next, if x equal to 0 substituting, so 9 into 0 0, 0 minus 12 equal to minus 12, minus 12 by 10 equal to minus 1.2. if we substitute x equal to 7, 9 7 ja 63, 63 minus 12, that equal to 51, 51 by 10, that equal to 5.1. so the points are minus 5 to minus 5.7, 0 to minus 1.2, and 7 to 5.1. Now these points locate on the graph we get the both lines are intersecting and it has a unique solution. So now first pair of linear equation points substituting. So for minus 5, its corresponding y coordinate is 8.7. So minus 5 to corresponding y coordinate is minus 8.7. For that 0 x coordinate corresponding y coordinate is 4.2. For 0 the corresponding y coordinate is 4.2. Next for 7 corresponding y coordinate is 2.1. So for 7 corresponding y coordinate is 2.1. So now if we join the points, now here we get a straight line and it is 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y equal to 7. Now the second pair of linear equation 9x minus 10y equal to 12 observing. So for x equal to minus 5, its corresponding y coordinate is minus 5.7. So minus 5 to minus 5.7. Next for 0, its corresponding y coordinate is minus 1.2. Minus 1.2. For 7, its corresponding y coordinate is 5.1. For 7, its corresponding y coordinate is 5.1. Now join the points. So here also we get a straight line and the straight line is 9x minus 10y equal to 12. Okay, now if we observe the both points where they met means they will be met at 3.1 and 1.4. So the solution is 3.1, 1.4. Both the were met at 3.4 and 3.1 and 1.4. And here if we observe the scale of that graph, on that x-axis we taking 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only we taken. Here given the another problem, x plus 2y equal to 10, 2x plus 4y equal to 8. Now we comparing the coefficients. So for the first equation, a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to 2, that is y coefficient, and the constant term c1 equal to minus 10. Next, the second equation to x coefficient a2 equal to 2 and the y coefficient b2 equal to 4 and the constant term c2 equal to minus 8. Now comparing the ratios, a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 equal to, that is 2 by 4, that means it is nothing but 1 by 2 only. Next, c1 by c2 equal to minus 10 by minus 8, that equal to 5 by 4. Now here if we observe the ratios of coefficients, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So the given pair of system of linear equations are inconsistent. The given equations inconsistent. So inconsistent means there is no solution. So there is no solution. That means they are parallel lines. They are parallel lines. Now graphically we observing. Okay, so the first equation x plus 2y equal to 10 given. So for different x values we get different y values x, and now y equal to, so plus x transfer to this side, minus x, 10 minus x, and multiplication to transfer to that side, division, and the x y points. Okay, so if we substitute a negative point, minus 6, 10 minus half minus 6, so that means minus into minus means plus, plus 6, that means 10 plus 6 equal to 16, 16 by 2 equal to 8. If we substitute 0, so 10 minus 0 equal to 0, 10, 10 by 2 equal to 5. Next, if we substitute a positive term, that is 8, so 10 minus 8 equal to 2, 2 by 2 equal to 1. So the points are for minus 6, 8, 0 to 5, 8 to 1. So for the second linear equation, what happened? Observing 2x plus 4y equal to 8. So here also for different x values we get different y values x, and now y equal to, so plus 2x transfer to that side, minus 2x, 8 minus 2x by 4, and the points x, y. So if we substitute minus 6, so 8 minus 2 into minus 6, so minus 2 into minus 6 equal to minus 12, minus 12, minus 2 into minus 6 equal to plus 12, plus 12 plus 8 equal to 20, 20 by 4 equal to 5, so minus 6 to 5. Next, if we substitute 0, so 2 into 0, 0, 8 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 0, 8, 8 by 4 equal to 2. For 0, the corresponding y coordinate is 2. Next, if we substitute x equal to 8, so minus 2 into 8 equal to minus 16, minus 16 plus 8 equal to minus 8, minus 8 by 4 means that is 2. So for 8, its corresponding y coordinate is 2. Now if we look at the points on that graph, so minus 6 to corresponding y coordinate is 8. So minus 6 to corresponding y coordinate is 8. Next, for 0 corresponding y coordinate is 5. For 0 corresponding y coordinate is 5. Next, for 8 corresponding y coordinate is 1. For 8 corresponding y coordinate is 1. Now if we join the points, we get a straight line, and the line is x plus 2y equal to 10. For the second pair of linear equation, 2x plus 4y equal to 8 to drawing for minus 6, minus 5. So for minus 6 corresponding y coordinate is minus 5. For 0, corresponding y coordinate is 2. For 8, corresponding y coordinate is 2. So here we written wrong, that is minus 2. So here 8 to corresponding y coordinate is minus 2. Here also if we join, we get a straight line. So here 8 to 2 ja minus 16, minus 16 minus plus 8 equal to minus 8, minus 8 by 4 equal to minus 2. Okay. So now that line is 2x plus 4y equal to 8. So now if we observe, both are parallel lines, so the system of equations has no solution. So it has no solution. Okay.